Hello everyone, welcome to Track Showtime. Today I would like to share with you our design concept of the smart display. Smart display is a proprietary design concept for track product. We try to use a single cable to pair with our track computing box and track in vehicle display, no matter it is 7-inch or 10-inch. And this is our traditional smart display cable. As you can see, it is quite bulky. The reason is it is already embedded not only LVDS cable interface, but also the USB power line, audio interface, RS-232 interface. So it is quite bulky. Also, it is single cable connection and very easy to installation on field. But we think there is still some room could be improved. So recently we come out a second generation smart display cable like this. We adopt the new technology. We call it a SerDes interface. So we can make the connector and cable more smaller, and we can also extend its cable length to 10 meters. It is already designed and can be implemented on our new track 303, 306 facelift version to pair with our track 60, track 50 new track computing box. If you want to learn more the difference of how to use it, don't hesitate to contact with us. See you next time. Bye bye.